This stuff is of course purified. It's not how it comes out of the mother. Hey guys, here is once more the Tsar, and today we try something different. And I'm a bit scared today because we try amniotic water. So it's FOREWATERS, and well, in Germany you get this as a beverage carton, and I don't know why it's in a beverage carton, because it seems a bit cheap, but it cost me 20 euros, and that is just because the water comes from Thailand. It's a bit cheaper there, I don't know. I'm really wondering what kind of color this has and how it smells. Von Geburt an. Wir schenken Ihnen Vertrauen. That's a weird trend in Germany, that you drink this water. The women breaks the waters, or how is it called when the water flows out, and I don't know. Why did I even buy this? What am I doing here on YouTube? The people write in the comments now,
I got to this side of YouTube again.
but well, you have to realize it is still a very natural thing to drink this, because the original people from all around the world drink it. At least I heard this, I don't know. But now we open this. Smells a little bit like beef or so, but not very much. It's almost clear with some, I don't know, is this bubbles or particles? I show you. So it is pretty transparent, clean. There is really nothing disgusting about it. Okay, there is the smell. It's a little bit like beef and minerals and chicken broth or so. That is a little bit, I don't know. How much fat does it contain? 1.5 grams of fat, but it must be emulsified. This stuff is of course purified. It's not how it comes out of the mother. I shouldn't smell too much on it. But it's just because I imagine that this is the FOREWATERS of a woman. Now I try. Oh, a bit salty. 1.2 grams of salt in 100 milliliters. That's very much, and you can taste it. Yeah, and it really tastes a bit like chicken broth. Who buys this actually? And they say you should drink 50 milliliters a day so you will get healthy. So it's for people that are malnourished, that don't have all the nutrients they need to have, just as vegans who got converted to normal food. And well, it tastes not very awesome. It tastes mostly like minerals and salt and a bit of meat. But that could be because it is pasteurized, so I think maybe some nutrients are already dead because of the heating process. But in Germany they say all in the internet you should spice it up a little bit with Maggi-Würze. And now it's actually really good. Now the flavors come out. Very nice. But I will pour another glass for further inspection. Here other videos from me